Imagine life without the shadow of debt looming over every decision you make. This is the exhilarating freedom of living debt-free. It's the peace of mind that comes from knowing you owe nothing to anyone. It's the financial security that lets you sleep soundly at night. It's the liberation to make choices based on what you desire, not what you owe. Escaping the chains of debt might seem like a distant dream, but with the right steps, it's a dream you can turn into reality. The journey to a debt-free life begins with a roadmap, a clear step-by-step plan to navigate out of the labyrinth of debt. So let's plot out this course together. Your first step is creating a budget. A budget is your financial blueprint, detailing where your money comes from and where it goes. It's your tool to track your spending, pinpoint unnecessary expenses, and redirect funds to paying off your debt. Next, prioritize your debts. Not all debts are created equal. Some carry heavier interest rates and penalties. By identifying which debts are most pressing, you can strategically focus your resources to eliminate the heaviest burdens first. Then, aim to pay more than the minimum. Just like a leaky faucet, the trickle of interest can accumulate into a flood over time. Paying more than the required minimum helps you tackle the principal amount faster, effectively plugging the leak before it becomes a deluge. Now consider the debt snowball or avalanche method. The snowball method involves paying off smaller debts first to gain momentum, while the avalanche method targets debts with the highest interest rates. Choose the method that best suits your circumstances and stick with it. Another strategy to consider is debt consolidation. If you're juggling multiple debts, consolidating them into a single payment can simplify management and potentially reduce interest costs. Don't forget to set up an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable and unexpected expenses can derail your debt repayment plan. An emergency fund provides a safety net, ensuring that when life throws a curveball, you won't have to borrow more to stay in the game. And finally, remain consistent. Consistency is the key to any long-term endeavor, including debt repayment. It's the steady, relentless chipping away at your debt that will eventually set you free. Remember, the journey to becoming debt-free isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Consistency and perseverance will be your greatest allies. Now that you have the roadmap, the journey to financial freedom is yours to embark on. It's time to take that first step towards a life unburdened by debt. Remember, you're not alone in this. There's a whole community ready to cheer you on, share their experiences, and offer advice. So why wait? Take that step. Subscribe to this channel for more financial advice and join a community of people committed to living debt-free. Because freedom from debt isn't just a dream, it's a destination you can reach.